What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys how this artificially intelligent robot has made me $1,000 in a day writing simple articles for me. This is not like any other article video that you've probably seen on YouTube before. This tool, or it's actually called an artificial intelligence, writes done for you articles in your own name, in your own ownership and rights. So you don't have to worry about copyright and any of those issues. Earnings potential with this is absolutely infinite because you can use the content this artificial intelligence is going to write for you for so many ways to make money online. I'm going to give you a whole bunch in this video. You can do one of them, you can do all of them. It's entirely up to you on how you want to go about this. I also want to do a quick giveaway in today's video. So if you can count how many times I say the word article in this video, comment down below your answer. If you get it right, I'll reply to your comment with a $1,000 Christmas giveaway entry. So you can get entry to a $1,000 giveaway. So all you need to do is to do this, you got to make sure that you subscribe with the notification bell on. Go and leave a like down below and comment down below your answers. That means you got to watch this video throughout and actually count how many times I say the word article. That's from beginning till end, including how many times I ever said it now. So make sure to go down below and comment your answers. I mean, take a look at this, guys. This artificial intelligence over here doesn't only write articles in English. It can do it in French, Spanish, Italian, Polish, and 18 more of these languages over here. So if any of these languages work for you, you can go and produce articles in your own language, monetize them with the ways that I'm going to teach you in your own local countries. If your language is not supported here, you can just use English and just use the international method. And I mean, take a look at this. This platform's AI-powered writing tools, you can generate not only articles, but high-performing ads, blogs, landing pages, product descriptions, ideas. You can use this tool to benefit your business in many ways. If you literally want to click the button, generate an ad or generate a landing page just like that without actually having to put in the effort to design it yourself, all you might need to do is just review the work that the AI creates for you and just make sure that it's what you want and make any changes that you want. But I mean, it saves you so much time, and in today's world, time means money. So take a look at what all they offer over here. They've got a website copy, so this artificial intelligence creates your own landing pages, your own features, headers, already SEO metadata done for you. That's information to rank on Google. This AI will automatically create you Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, Instagram ads, and Twitter ads as well. So I mean, if you're in a social media agency kind of a person, this is a perfect tool for your business. And the tool we're going to be using today, the article, blog, and copy tool, where this AI will automatically write articles for you, blog ideas, intros, and outlines. It can rephrase and expand already done content ideas. It can do article summaries for you. So if you're a high school student and you've got to do a summary on an article like they always asked in school, here's a secret, just come over here and let this AI do it for you. It can fix all your grammar and do an entire readability check. Also, it can do e-commerce copies for you. It can do done for you Amazon product titles, done for you descriptions, done for you product features, sales emails complete for you, Amazon sponsored ads complete for you. This artificial intelligence will create all of that for you. Copywriting formats, you've got the Pain Agitate solution and the Ada solution as well, and many other tools such as press releases, company and personal bios, startup ideas, YouTube video copies, growth ideas, and product names over here. So what you need to do is, in order to get started with this website, you just come over to the top of this website over here. You're going to click on Start Writing for Free. You need to enter this information over here. Just enter your Google. I just signed in with my Google account, so I'm going to do that and meet you on the other side. And take a look at this, guys. You've got the AI article writer over here, fully automated in 4 steps. You've got an entire writing assistant, AI article writer over here, but you want the best quality one over here. Facebook ads, done for you sentence expander, content rephrase. And take a look at all the tools that it has over here for your business. This is a great tool. If you're an entrepreneur, you want to create landing pages, you want to go and create ads, and ultimately you want to go and make money online. So the tool we're going to go and use is the AI article writer over here. And you want to go and type in any sort of topic. Before we go and type in a topic idea, there's another website that we're going to go to make money off of this. This is called instructables.com. Now this website is all about DIY, woodworking projects, camping, that kind of topic, all really outside projects. I mean, take a look at this. This guy used a solar panel to see sound and if you can hear light. Workshop, modern roll-top desk creation, a shop standing cabinet with standing blocks, a novel way to set a box lid. So I mean, this is all interesting DIY articles that people are creating and at the same time are making tons of money with Amazon affiliate links. But remember, these people spend hours writing these sort of articles. Now you can do this literally in 4 steps at the click of a button, and it saves you so much time. And I can promise you this AI will probably write a better article than what you can write off the top of your head. So we're going to click on, I would say craft over here, either craft or workshop. Just open them up in new pages. And here you can see you've got, this person made a pleated clutch bag or a purse with a concealed zip. This guy made Christmas cards, a candy stick out of cotton. The workshop over here, this person made like a 3D printed kitchen rotating spice rack. The category that does the best on this website is the woodworking category. So if you come over to the categories, come over to workshop and then click on woodworking at the bottom over here. And this is the category that makes the most money off of this website. Now, you can see over here, obviously in order to do woodworkings, you need tools. You need a certain amount of tools. Now what you can go and do is you can go and Google 10 essential woodworking tools to start up your shop. And over here you can see we want to go and create an article about 10 or woodworking essentials to start your shop. Which over here you've got a table store, router, chisels, orbit sander, bandsaw, dust collector, all the necessary products over here. So what we want to do is we want to go copy, for example, essential woodworking tools, come over to the AI article generator and paste your topic idea. Click on generate ideas. Over here it will give you 5 titles to choose from, and then this artificial intelligence will create your article based on the title that you choose. So here we've got essential woodworking tools, the best advice for beginners, essential woodworking tools, which tools you need and what you don't need, the essential woodworking tools, 10 things you need to get started. This one is actually perfect. We're then going to click on next step over here, and we're going to click on generate intros. And over here, it will generate the intro of your article. So what we can go and do is we can go and click on the first one. There are lots of types of tools, the different types of saws, clamps, etc. Click on next step. Then we're going to get an outline generated. So click on generate outlines. As you can see, it's building this article for me literally at the click of these buttons. We've got over here, section 1 to 6, home safety tips, eye protection, protective clothing, the power tool list, the hand tool list, conclusion. So we're going to choose this one over here, section 1 to 4. We can click on next step, and now we can click on write an article and take a look at this. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes, and this article will then be generated for you. In fact, it actually took quicker. Take a look at this. The essential woodworking tools, 10 things you need, section number 1. What do you need? And they talk about you want a clamp and a router, the power tool list, a hand tool list, everything you need over here. Conclusion, and this article is done for you. Now, all you want to do is you want to go and add to this article, because obviously we need to make money off this article, and this is how we're going to do that. The next thing you want to do is you want to come over to a website called kit.co. Now, this is a website where you can create your own kit of products. Take a look at this. Some of these people are selling gadget kits, photography kits such as a lens, a video camera, lighting, colorful lighting. Some people are selling Christmas kits, a Christmas tree, socks. So I mean, what's perfect about this, we can go and create our own woodworking kit and make money off of all of these products in your kit at the same time. So instead of making affiliate commissions off one product, we can go and make affiliate commissions out of all the hand tool list over here. Come back over to kit.co and click on create a new kit, and you can sign in with any one of these accounts. For your kit name, you can type woodworking kit. And for the description, we can actually go and use the title of your article. The essential woodworking tools, 10 things you need to get started. Click on next over here and it will create your kit, and you can go and search a product. And all you want to do is just keep your article over here, and we can go and search the product. Scroll saw over here, so just click on search, and over here you can see is your scroll saw, which you can add to your kit. So click on the plus icon over here, click on add to kit. You want to come back to your article. Let's go and look for the coping saw over here, so just paste the term coping saw, click on search. Over here is the coping saw, just click on the plus icon and click on add to kit. Again, product number 3 is a jigsaw, so just go and search jigsaw. Again, as you can see, it's copy and paste. So go and paste jigsaw, click on search, and again, it'll pop up over here. We can use this jigsaw over here. So click on plus added to your kit. Again, we want to go and search table saw. So over here, we can add this table saw to our kit. And finally, we need a mincer saw over here and then a clamp. So we're going to go and add these last two products to our kit. And now we can go and make money in our kit on all of these products at the same time. So we're just going to go and add this. And the last one is a clamp. So we're just going to go search clamp over here, click on search, and over here, perfect, wood clamps. So we can add this and our kit is now complete. So all we're going to do is we're going to click on view kit over here. We're going to just click on share later, just click no thanks. And over here, you can see is your kit. So now what you can do is you can go and copy this kit.co, and now every time someone clicks on this Amazon link over here and goes and buys this on Amazon, you are going to get a commission of every sale that you make. So we can come over to our article and we can go and type here, click here to get access to your woodworking kit. Then all you want to do is copy the link to your kit, highlight this text over here, scroll up to the top, and you want to click on link and paste your link over here and click on save. And as you can see over here, this is now a clickable link to your kit over here. Now, every time someone clicks on this link and purchases any one of these products or all of these products over here, you're going to make a commission of each and every product. Then all you want to do is go and copy this article that you've now generated off this AI article writer, come back to instructables.com. You want to scroll up to the top, you want to click on publish over here and go and publish the same article that this AI has generated you with your affiliate link in the description. So all we're going to do is we can log in with our Google or Facebook account. I'm just going to do that quickly and I'll meet you on the other side. For our project title, again, we can go and copy our title of our article over here, go and paste this on your title over here. For your category, you want to click on workshop and you want to go and look for woodworkings over here. Now this is where the magic happens. You want to go and add an image, so we can just come over to pexels.com, which is a copyright free picture website. We can go woodworking over here, click on enter. And for example, we can click on this image, just download this as a free image over here, come back to your article and upload this to your article. Click on upload one file, click on save, and this picture will then act as your thumbnail or cover image of your article. And over here we can go and click on briefly describe what you made and why. So this is just the introduction. Again, we can come over to our article, copy the introduction of our article that this tool has generated for us over here. For the supplies, we can go and copy this list over here, the list of supplies needed, and then over here for the enter step 1, we can go and type here step number 1 or section number 1, this entire section over here. Go and paste this, and then over here you want to add section number 2. Let's just go and copy the power tool list, paste this over here. For the title of your section, just enter the title over here, section 1. What essential tools do you need? For the title of step number 2, we can just go and copy over here the hand tool list. Go and paste this here. And then for the last and final conclusion step, you want to copy this, add final step, paste this over here, and just add your conclusion. And then for this link over here, you want to copy this link and add it under each and every section. So under the conclusion, you want to add it under the section 1 as well. So that is the link that most people will see over here. And now what you want to do is, all you want to do is click on publish over here. And now this article has been published publicly to this website. So you just click publish now again. And now you can copy this link over here. And the potential with this article that you've now created with your link over here, if you'll see, if I click on this, it will take me to my woodworking kit where people can go and buy this. Now, the potential with this is absolutely huge. You can go and give this article as a free PDF. You can download it as a PDF over here. You can go and share this on free Facebook woodworking groups of people who's wanting to get into woodworking projects. You can go and share this on Reddit, Quora. You can go and run ads on Facebook on 10 things you need to know about woodworking and just target that at a woodworking audience. The potential with this is absolutely huge. You can go and use this PDF, create a funnel with Kartra, ClickFunnels, or Builderall, and give this away as a free giveaway and then have the upsell on the next page to your kit. It's another great way to go and make money online, because then you can go and make money with email marketing with your funnel as well. So what I'm going to do is to help you out with more affiliate marketing videos like this. On the screen over here, I'm going to leave my affiliate marketing playlist with over 300 of my best YouTube videos that I've made over the past 3 years regarding ClickBank, traffic, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, all sorts of excellent ways you can make money with affiliate marketing. This is so far one of my favorite, as this tool makes it so easy for you. You're welcome to go and give it a try. It's called writesonic.com. They do have a free version which you can go and use. I mean, as you saw, this I generated at the click of a button. Well, the tool did, and I didn't even do any of the hard work. And all of this is in your own words that this tool generates. You don't need to retype anything. The only thing you need to add is your link over here. So if you want to get access to a ton of more ways to make money like this, click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.